They're homesick in western Ukraine. Crimean Tatars seeking refuge in the West just marked the 70th anniversary of Soviet leader Joseph Stalin's deportation of their people. After Russia's annexation of their home, they are pinning hopes on Sunday's election.
Right now, we are waiting for the elections. We will follow and listen to the decisions made by the heads of the government. I hope that things will begin to settle down and Crimea will return to Ukraine. It never left, but the occupation. We were in Crimea 3 days ago, but I don't feel comfortable there anymore because other people are now governing it.
One family that just left Crimea opened a restaurant. They prepare food that reminds them of home. And they wait.
Crimean Tatars here have what you might call a luggage mindset. They are waiting for the opportunity to return to their homeland, which is part of Ukraine. And once it returns to Ukraine, they will go there.
Ukraine holds a presidential election on Sunday, which Western countries consider a crucial event in resolving the country's crisis.